Yes, sir.
ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir. Namaskara, sir. Good morning, sir.
ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯವ್ರೆ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, sir.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಗುಡ್. Now, they say this young boy, he became professor at the age of 7 years.
Yes, sir.
He was a visiting professor in Bombay also.
Okay.
They say from the age of 2, he
Yes,
was
sir.
good in mathematics, physics, and chemistry.
Yes, sir.
So, but what I think is not age of 2, when he was in second standard, I think it is like that.
Yes, sir.
When he was 2, they say 2 means may not be 2 years when he was in
Yes,
the
sir.
second standard.
Yes, sir.
So sometimes back it came also another
Yes,
person of similar type like this only, but age was not 7, but it was like 17.
yes, sir.
So there also they provided all the books and other things, and reading, writing, that is very, very important. We must keep on reading only.
Yes, sir.
So if we go back to history,
Yes, sir.
uh, maybe you may be knowing somebody like Michael Faraday.
Yes, sir.
You know about Michael Faraday?
Yes, sir. Michael Faraday, bulb, electric bulb, sir.
Yeah, Michael Faraday, he was the son of a blacksmith in a village.
Yes, sir.
After his primary school studies, there was no opportunity to go for higher studies.
Yes, sir.
So his father said, you search for some job for yourself.
Yes, sir.
So he went to the nearby town
Yes,
and
sir.
he approached one book binding shop
Yes, sir.
to give him apprentice training in book binding.
Yes, sir.
So he started binding the books which people will bring. They
Yes, sir.
were all torn on different pages, some pages are separated.
Yes, sir.
So he tried to make that book as like original
Yes, sir.
by pasting the torn sheets with proper sheets and binding together and giving. And in this process, people who are given the book for binding were not coming immediately, but they may be coming 1 month or 2 months later to collect the book.
Yes, sir.
During that time, this boy was reading all the books.
Okay.
Once the person came, that is Humphrey Davy,
Yes,
he
sir.
gave a book on chemistry for binding purpose.
Yes, sir.
So when he came for collecting, this boy told him
Yes, sir.
that this particular formula is wrong.
Okay.
So actually, Humphrey Davy, he checked the thing and he was really surprised.
Yes, sir.
So he took him and gave him a job in the in his chemistry department,
Yes, sir.
where he became professor of physical chemistry
Yes, sir.
and also chemistry.
Yes, sir.
Then he could invent several laws of electromagnetism, electrochemistry, and other things.
Yes, sir.
And later he got even the Nobel Prize also.
Oh.
So all this comes
Sir.
by studying.
Okay, sir.
And we must be something have a burning desire to read more and more and more.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if one author's book, there is difficulty in understanding some topic, we can
Yes, sir.
refer another author's book and
Yes, sir.
see whether that particular topic is written such a way that others can understand.
Yes, sir.
In fact, one of these books, on material science,
Yes, sir.
I wanted to recommend to my students.
Yes, sir.
I purchased books from 10 different authors.
Yes, sir.
But unfortunately, it was so happening.
Yes, sir.
Whatever is written in one book, they were exactly writing the copy of that with a different change of name of author and the publisher.
Oh, oh.
So it became very difficult to identify a book.
Yes, sir.
Finally, I come across one book where he has given the complete list of 169 books what he has referred,
Oh,
and he has used their contents in a slightly different way in his book.
Yes, sir.
So that was something slightly better.
Yes, sir.
So to become expert in any subject, it is necessary for us to first start liking reading the books.
Yes, sir.
There will be difficulty in understanding the word sentences, etc.
Yes,
in the
sir.
beginning, but repeated application will help. When that is not possible, we can learn from someone who knows.
Yes, sir.
Now, today we are continuing with what is called the remainder theorem.
Yes, sir.
So for division, maybe if you write like this, what I have given here, it
Yes,
will
sir.
be easy for one standard method we can have for doing division.
Yes.
And this is one of the method.
Yes, sir.
So you can use this type also. So here we'll draw a horizontal line here and a vertical line.
Yes, sir.
The number to be divided is kept here. 15 is to be divided by 6.
Yes, sir.
So 6 is called the divisor and 15 is called the dividend.
Yes, sir.
It will go 2 times. So 2 is written here. That is the quotient.
Yes, sir.
Such that 2 into this 6 is equal to this 12.
Yes, sir.
Now when we subtract, we get 3 here.
Yes, sir.
So this 3 is always less than 6.
Yes, sir.
So this is called the remainder. Suppose it is greater than 6, what happens? The number what you have multiplied here is not correct. We have to use another higher one.
Yes, sir.
For example, it was 19 here instead of 15.
Yes, sir.
Then 6 into 2 means 12. 19 minus that will be 7 here.
Yes, sir.
So 7 is greater than 6.
Yes, sir.
That means earlier what we have taken 2 is not correct. You have to go for the next higher number.
Yes, sir.
So if it is 19, 6 into 3 will be 18.
Yes, sir.
If you want to divide 19 by
Yes,
6,
sir.
then 6 into 3, if we write here, we get 18 there. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
So 19 minus 18, the remainder will become 1, which will be less than 6.
Yes, sir.
So dividing, we have to check after dividing, what we get here is it less than the divisor or is it greater than the divisor?
Yes, sir.
If it is greater, then the earlier division, what we have done was wrong. So we have to change that one.
Okay, sir.
So this message, we write it like this. This 15 is equal to this 6 into 2. So that is this one. Multiple plus the balance of 3 there.
Yes, sir.
So 6 into 2 will be 12 plus the 3. So the formula is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus the remainder.
Yes, sir.
So you can keep this type of method for dividing one expression by another expression in algebra. It will be convenient.
Yes, sir.
So now we will take another example. See here, it says the same thing. Let us consider two numbers 15 and 6. So divide 15 by 6.
Yes, sir.
What happens? We will get 2 and remainder 3.
Yes, sir.
So we can write the result like this. So 15 is equal to 6 into 2 plus 3.
Yes, sir.
Now, important to observe that remainder 3 is less than this division 6.
Yes, sir.
So another example he gives. Suppose we divide 12 by 6.
Yes, sir.
12 by 6 means it will go 2 times.
No remainder 0. Yes, sir.
Remainder becomes 0. So that means 12 is equal to that 6 into 2 plus
Yes, sir.
0.
Yes, sir.
What is the remainder? Remainder is 0. We say that 6 is a factor of 12.
Yes, sir.
or 12 is a multiple of 6.
Yes, sir.
Actually, this one we can say 6 and 2 are factors of 12 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
Yes, sir.
Because factors, even we multiply, we get the number which we want.
Yes.
So if this number is factorizable, we have to divide by the number from which we are dividing. Remainder should be 0. Then whatever quotient and divisor are there, the product, they are the factors of this number.
Yes, sir.
So 12 is a fact, the product of two factors. One is 6, another is 12. It's 2.
Yes, sir.
So 6 and 2 are factors of 12.
Yes, sir.
So this is also not wrong, but it gives only half the meaning. So 6 is a factor of 12.
Yes, sir.
But we can also say 2 is also a factor of 12.
Yes, sir.
So 6 is a multiple of 6. 12 is a multiple of 6.
Yes, sir.
We can also say 12 is a multiple of 2 also, we can tell. Because 2 has come 6 times.
Yes, sir.
6 is coming 2 times.
Yes, sir.
6 into 2.
Yes, sir.
So question is, we want to divide one polynomial by another polynomial.
Yes, sir.
This is only numbers we have done.
Yes, sir.
So we will start with 2x cube plus x square plus x by the monomial x.
Yes, sir.
That means numerator has got 3 terms. It is a polynomial of degree 3 here because the highest power is 3.
Yes,
It
sir.
is divided by only single term of the first degree polynomial because power of x is 1.
Yes, sir.
So this one, if we do like this, then we can keep this 2x cube plus x square plus x here. That is the dividend.
Yes,
And
sir.
divisor is x.
Yes, sir.
Now we will find what is the number by which we have to multiply this x so that we get 2x cube.
Yes, sir.
So because there is x here, it is necessary to multiply by 2x square.
Yes, sir.
So doing that, we get 2x cube. Now 2x cube cancels. So balance available is x square plus x.
Yes, yes, sir. Expect. Yes, sir.
Now we have to repeat the process.
Yes,
By
sir.
what we have to multiply this here so that we get this first term.
Yes, sir.
So since there is x here and we want x square, we have to multiply by x.
Yes, sir.
So x into this x is equal to x square.
Yes, sir.
So when you subtract that, x square will cancel. We will be
Yes.
left with x here.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to check what we have to multiply by here to get this x. So there will be plus 1 here.
Yes, sir.
Plus 1. So 1 into this x will become x and
Yes,
the
sir.
result will become 0. So
Yes,
0
sir.
is the remainder.
Yes, sir.
So if this remainder becomes 0, then
Yes, sir.
this into this, they are the two factors of this
Yes, sir.
number, which is dividend. So remainder is 0, we don't have to write that one. So dividend becomes divisor into quotient.
Yes, sir.
Dividend is 2x cube plus x square plus x, which is equal to this x
Yes,
plus
sir.
this 2x square plus x. Plus 1
Yes,
also will come here.
Yes, sir.
There will be a plus 1 here. See, this multiplied by this will be there. So you have to write here 2x square plus x plus 1 also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now here try to give here different methods of how to divide.
Yes, sir.
One is to divide 2x cube plus x square plus x
Yes, sir.
by x. he is
Yes, sir.
dividing every term by x.
Yes, sir.
So in that process, the first one will become 2x square, next
Yes, sir.
becomes x, and next becomes 1.
Yes, sir.
So the divisor was x and this is that one. So x into this, that is these are the two factors.
Yes, sir.
And remainder is 0 because
Yes,
there is no balance.
Yes, sir.
So he says x square, this item 2x cube plus x square plus x
Yes, sir.
is a multiple of x as well as multiple of this. So now he is telling what I told you earlier.
Yes, sir.
So these two are the factors. So
Yes, sir.
x is multiple of this plus this is also multiple of that, like that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here multiple means we are doing algebra.
Yes, sir.
So multiple means it may be a sub multiple also. That means a smaller one,
Yes, sir.
giving fractions. Say A is half of B or B is 2 times A, like that.
Yes, sir.
So multiple, the multiplication factor can be half, that is less than 1 can be there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we take another case where in this one, this item is changed, but this is kept as x.
Yes, sir.
So we are dividing 3x square plus x plus 1 by x.
Yes, sir.
Can you try this one by this method I
Yes,
gave
sir.
you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you just draw a horizontal line and a vertical line.
Yes,
And
sir.
inside the corner, you write 3x square plus x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
And outside, you write x.
Yes, sir.
Then see how to get the first term by multiplying x by something which we keep at the top. That is the quotient.
Yes, sir. 3x plus 1, sir.
See, maybe, let me see whether.
X into 3x plus 1, yes, sir. Plus 1.
What was the problem there we have taken?
3x square plus x minus 1 plus 1 and all is.
Plus 20. Okay, this is another problem.
Yes, sir.
Doesn't matter. So it will come similar like this, but there will be a plus 1 here.
Yes, sir.
So, but this is totally different problem. There we are dividing only by x, I think.
Yes, sir. Only
Yeah,
divided by x, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is a different problem. Anyway, we can take this also to check whether it is right or wrong. You can see here.
Yes, sir.
So that was some. What was the question was?
3x square plus x plus 1 divided by x.
Yes. Yeah, that he has given here.
Yes,
3x
sir.
square plus x minus 1. This is different. Another problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
This
3x
one.
square x plus 1, we are dividing.
Yes, sir.
So here he is trying to do divide each term by x.
Yes, sir.
That way. So he will get 3x square plus x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
And this item is equal to x into 3x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
Plus there is a remainder 1.
Yes, sir. Plus 1, sir.
So in this case, remainder is 1.
Yes, sir.
So we cannot write this is equal to this into this only.
Yes, sir.
So that means this is not a factor of this or this is not a factor of this.
Yes, sir.
Only when remainder is 0, these are the factors of this item here.
Okay, sir.
So in this case, 3x plus 1 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder.
Yes, sir.
So do you think x is a factor of this? No, because remainder should be 0. Then only these two will become factors of this number.
Yes, sir.
So we'll take another example. So this is x plus 3x square minus 1.
Yes,
and gx is 1 plus x. Here different letters he is using, px for this one,
yes, sir.
gx for this one.
Yes, sir.
Now important thing is for doing this by the method I gave,
Yes, sir.
it is necessary to write this given polynomial,
As x plus 1.
yeah, starting with the highest power of x.
Yes, sir.
So the dividend will be 3x square plus x minus 1 we have to write.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, the divisor, we will not write 1 plus x, we will write x plus 1.
Plus 1. Yes, sir.
So then use that method. So write a horizontal line and vertical line, and at the corner inside you write 3x square plus x minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Outside to the left you write x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
Then find out what is the number or item to be multiplied with the x plus 1 to get the first term.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
First term we must have 3x square. So there is only 3x. 3x into x
Yes,
will become 3x
x
square.
plus 1 into. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we will check what should be multiplied by x here so that we get this first term.
Yes,
So we
sir.
write 3x into x is 3x square.
Yes, sir.
So we multiply this also here and write the plus 3x.
Yes, sir.
Now, whenever you subtract, this number becomes negative. That we should remember.
Yes, sir.
So it is x minus 3x.
Yes, sir.
So we get minus 2x, and
Yes.
this minus 1 we keep as it is.
Yes, sir.
Now again check what should be multiplied by x to get minus 2x here, first
Yes.
term. That
Yes,
we
sir.
have to do by minus 2.
Yes, sir.
So minus 2 into x is minus 2x, and minus
sir.
2 into 1 is minus 2.
Yes, sir. Answer is x plus 1 into 3x minus 2 plus 1, sir.
Yeah. So these two will cancel.
Yes, sir.
Subtracting, this becomes plus.
Yes, sir.
So you will get 1 plus 2, minus 1 and plus 2 gives plus 1.
Yes, sir.
So plus 1 is the remainder.
Yes, sir.
So because it is remainder, this and this are not factors of this.
Yes, sir.
That is what you have to understand.
Yes, sir.
So that is what is done here.
Yes, sir.
So here, when you keep on repeating the process until this becomes 0, we cannot write the factors.
Yes, sir.
If this is 0 only, then we can write the factors.
Yes, sir.
So the formula is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient
Yes, sir.
when remainder is 0.
Yes, sir.
So that is the formula here given in the book.
Dividend is equal to
Ah. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. So if remainder becomes 0, then
Yes, sir.
these two are the factors of this. That is,
Yes.
when you multiply these two, we get this one.
Yes, sir.
So factorization means this one term is given, we will write these two.
Yes, sir.
So these are the two factors of this one.
Yes, sir.
So in general, Px, Gx are two polynomials.
Yes, sir.
So we have divided by simply x, one monomial.
Yes,
Then
sir.
we have taken x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
It is a first degree polynomial.
Yes, sir.
Now we can divide one polynomial by another one of any degree.
Yes, sir.
So in particular, it says degree of Px, that polynomial, which is in the numerator,
Yes, sir.
is either greater than or equal to degree of the denominator.
Yes, sir.
and denominator is not 0.
Yes, sir.
Then we can use this formula.
Yes, sir.
So this formula is nothing but the same thing. This is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus the remainder.
Yes, sir.
So he has used R for remainder, Q for quotient,
Yes, sir.
Gx for the polynomial in the denominator,
Yes, sir.
Px for the polynomial in the numerator.
Yes, sir.
So in particular, if Rx is equal to 0, if
Yes,
this
sir.
happens to be 0,
Yes, sir.
then Gx and Qx are factors of Px.
Yes, sir.
If remainder is 0, we can write Px is equal to Gx into Qx.
Yes, sir.
That means Gx is one factor, Qx is another factor.
Yes, sir.
So we will be able to write this polynomial as equal to product of these two.
Yes, sir.
So these two are the factors and this is the dividend that is factorized.
Yes, sir.
In the above example, this divisor was a linear polynomial.
Yes, sir.
In such a situation, let us see if there is any link between the remainder and certain values of the dividend.
Yes, sir.
So, is taking that old example. See, Px is 3x square plus x minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Now, suppose we replace x by minus 1, we write it as P of minus 1.
-1.
So, ಈ problem ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನ substitute ಮಾಡಿ.
Yes, sir. Three x square plus x minus 1. What x is equal to x by minus 1. 3 into minus 1 square plus minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 3 minus 1 minus 1 3 minus 2 1, sir. Yes, sir.
It will become 1. So, now here we have divided 3x square plus x minus 1
Yes, sir.
by x,
Yes, sir.
having two methods. One is by drawing horizontal line, vertical line, and
Yes, sir.
dividing and writing, finding the remainder.
Yes, sir.
Second one, we are just finding P of minus 1,
Yes, sir.
which is giving the remainder as 1.
Yes, sir.
There also remainder was 1. Now, this method of getting the remainder
Yes, sir.
is something like a experiment we have done. That is, remainder is obtained by dividing 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1. That is one we have done.
Yes, sir.
Another one is we are finding the 0 of the polynomial x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
So 0 of the polynomial x plus 1 means it is 0 of the divisor.
Yes, sir.
Divisor as x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
So suppose we call it as gx. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ gx is equal to x plus 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ.
Yes, sir.
Now find the 0 of this polynomial means we have to find the value of x for which that gx becomes equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
So next step we will write.
So x plus 1 is, yes, sir.
Next step we will write that g of x is equal to x plus 1 is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
So x is equal to minus 1.
Minus 1. Yes, sir.
So
So g of x is equal to.
So
Yes.
that means one is a long procedure of dividing the given dividend by the divisor, determine quotient and the remainder.
Yes, sir.
Second method is the divisor you take, find the 0 of that.
Yes, sir.
Find the 0 of the divisor polynomial
Yes, sir.
by making it equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Find the value of x. So x
Yes.
plus 1 is equal to 0. So x becomes equal to minus 1.
Yes, sir.
So that means now you can calculate p of that minus 1 here.
Yes, sir.
By making x plus 1 equal to 0, we got x is equal to minus 1.
Yes, sir.
That one, if you substitute here, you will get this 1,
Yes, sir.
which we have got earlier as remainder by actual dividing the 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
So this will be
One from one.
this will be easier compared to earlier one,
Yes, sir.
because there we have to keep on multiplying, subtract, cancel, then
Yes, sir.
find whether there is remainder or not.
Yes, sir.
So the second method is you take the divisor, which is the denominator,
Yes, sir.
and find the 0 of that polynomial.
Yes, sir.
That means keep that polynomial equal to 0 and find the value of x.
Yes, sir.
Substitute that in the given dividend.
Yes, sir.
Then whatever you get here is the remainder,
Yes,
which
sir.
can be obtained by dividing this by the given denominator.
Yes, sir.
Denominator was x plus 1 in this problem.
Yes, sir.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So one more example. Divide the polynomial 3x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus
Yes, sir.
1 by
Yes, sir.
x minus 1.
Minus one. Yes, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಈ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ
Yes, sir.
ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ,
Yes, sir.
ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ 4 ಬರೀರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ 3 ಬರೀರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಜಾಗ ಬಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ, we can
Yes.
say after minus 4x cube we
Yes,
can
sir.
put plus 0 into x square,
Yes, sir.
then minus 3x minus 1.
Yes, sir.
That way it will be easy to write the number is whatever we get one below the other.
Yes, sir.
Then we have to find out by what we have to multiply this to get this first term 3x power 4. So since x is there, we have to take 3x cube only.
Yes, sir.
So write 3x cube here, multiply by this and write here, which is 3x power 4.
Yes, sir.
Then minus 1 into 3x square we will write as it is.
Yes, sir.
Now this minus plus you don't write, it is in the memory.
Yes, sir.
So these two will cancel.
Yes, sir.
So subtracting this becomes positive. So you will get
Yes, sir.
minus x cube.
Yes, sir.
Then we have kept here 0x square also.
Yes, sir.
So that will come here.
Yes, sir.
Then we will have the minus 3x minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Next, we have to see how to get this first term by multiplying this x by something. So we want the answer as minus x cube.
Yes, sir.
Here x is there. So we must write minus x square, this one.
Yes, sir.
So minus x square into x is minus x cube.
Yes, sir.
And this into this will become plus x square. So don't write this plus and this minus below.
Yes,
That
sir.
we will know. So while subtracting, this and this cancels. Here there was 0x square, and this subtraction, the plus will become minus. So we will get 0 minus 1x square. This is 0x square minus 1x square. So it is minus x square.
Yes, sir.
Then these two we write as it is.
Yes, sir.
Then find out what should be multiplying this x to get this minus 4x.
Yes, sir.
I think we came up to here, you know.
Yes, sir.
We came up
Yes,
to
sir.
here. So we have to multiply by minus x. So minus
Yes,
x
sir.
into x is minus x square,
Yes, sir.
and minus x into minus 1 is plus 1,
Yes, sir.
plus 1x.
Yes, sir.
So this below these signs you don't write.
Yes, sir.
So these two will cancel. This will
Yes, sir.
become, while subtracting minus, so it is becomes minus 4x,
Yes, sir.
and this will be as it is.
Yes, sir.
Now it is necessary to multiply by minus 4 to get minus 4x.
Yes, sir.
So, but that same thing had to be multiplied here also. So this into this will be plus 4.
Yes, sir.
So this minus plus you don't write.
Yes, sir.
So put this line. So the first item cancels, and this will be, this is minus 1. The plus will become minus, so you get minus 5 as the remainder.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, since minus 5 is the remainder, we cannot write this one is equal to this one multiplied by this one.
Yes, sir.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
So here remainder is minus 5 and 0. What is 0? Now by second method we will do.
Yes, sir.
So we are dividing by x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
So this is the divisor, and
Yes.
0 of this means we have to put x plus 1 equal to 0. That
Yes,
means you get x is equal to minus 1.
Yes, sir.
So what this previous problem? Yeah, you have taken x minus 1, this previous problem.
Yes, sir.
So x minus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
So 1 is the 0 of this polynomial.
Yes, sir.
That means when 1 is substituted to x, the value of the polynomial becomes 0.
Yes, sir.
So that one, now you substitute in this dividend, which is p of x.
Yes,
So
sir.
p of x replace x by 1.
Yes, sir.
So 3 into 1 power 4 minus 4 into 1 cube. Here it is 0 into 1 square is there, we have written.
Yes, sir.
Minus 3 into x power 1.
Yes.
That will be also 1 and minus 1.
Yes, sir.
So simplify, you get minus 5, which is the remainder.
Yes, sir.
So to find the remainder, there are two methods.
Yes,
One is to find by actual division like this.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, equate this divisor to 0 and find the value of x.
Yes, sir.
And whatever comes, you substitute in p of x
Yes,
for
sir.
x value and simplify. So
Yes, sir.
that gives the remainder. So that will be 2 steps for all problems.
Yes, sir.
Here it will be many steps depending on the what is the number of terms in the
Yes, sir.
dividend or the polynomial
Yes,
to
sir.
be divided. If number
Yes,
of
sir.
terms are of higher degree, more
Yes.
terms will come.
Yes, sir.
Number of lower degree, less terms will come.
Yes, sir.
So this is another problem. Say take p of x is equal to x cube plus 1.
Yes, sir.
Now this one, actually you will be remembering one of the identities.
Yes, sir.
That is, there is a formula like a cube plus b cube.
Yes, sir.
A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b
Yes, sir.
into how much?
Yes, sir.
Into how much?
A plus B into 3AB, A square plus 3AB plus B square.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ. So ಇದು a cube plus b cube ಇದು.
Yes, sir.
Not a plus b whole cube.
Yes, sir.
ಸಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸಿ a plus b whole cube
Yes, sir.
is equal to a cube plus b cube
Yes, sir.
plus 3a square b
Yes, sir.
plus 3a b square.
Yes, sir.
We can also write it as a cube plus b cube
Yes, sir.
plus 3ab into a plus b, where a
Yes, sir.
plus b is in the bracket.
Yes, sir.
This is a different one. This is a cube plus b cube,
Yes, sir.
which is equal to a plus b
Yes, sir.
multiplied by
Yes, sir.
a square
Yes, sir.
minus ab
Yes, sir.
plus b square.
Yes, sir.
So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Yes, sir.
a cube minus b cube
Yes, sir.
is equal to
Yes, sir.
a minus b
Yes, sir.
into a square
Yes, sir.
plus ab
Yes, sir.
plus b square.
Yes, sir.
So ಇಲ್ಲಿ px is equal to x cube plus 1 ಇದೆ.
Yes, sir.
Now this is like a cube plus b cube ತರ, b is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. a cube plus b cube is equal to ನಲ್ಲಿ
Yes, sir.
a ಗೆ x ಹಾಕಿ,
Yes, sir.
b ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ 1 ಹಾಕಿ.
X cube plus 1 plus 3x. Three into x plus 3 into yes, sir.
So
X
ಏನ್
cube plus 1, x cube plus 1 plus
Huh?
3x square plus 3x.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
X cube plus 1
ಹಾ
plus
ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು
3x square plus
ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಇದು ಎ ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. a ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ b ಕ್ಯೂಬ್, ಎನೇ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ b ನೇ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್
yes, sir.
ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು
Yes, sir.
a ಪ್ಲಸ್ b ಅಂತ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Yes, sir.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ
Yes,
a
sir.
ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್
Yes, sir.
ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ
Yes, sir.
ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾಕಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಈಗ
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದು ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಎ ಇರೋ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ,
Yes, sir.
ಬಿ ಇರೋ ಕಡೆಗೆ
1.
1 ಹಾಕಿ, ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ.
Yes, sir. X square minus x plus 1. Yes, sir. X plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಅನ್ನಿಸಿ. ಇದು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ,
Yes, sir.
ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅದ ಏನ್ ಬರೆದಿರ ಹೇಳಿ.
X cube plus 1 cube is equal to x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1.
ಹಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಈಗ
Yes,
ಅದೆರಡನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೇನೋ ಅಂತ.
yes, sir. X square minus plus 1 plus x square Yes, sir. Birthday, sir.
So that is we have checked whether our formula is right or wrong ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೇನಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes, sir.
ಈಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ x+1 is a factor ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು.
Yes, sir.
So x+1 is a factor ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is the zero of that polynomial?
x+1 is equal to 0.
Correct.
X is equal to -1.
That's all. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಈ -1 you substitute in px. Px is equal to x³ -1 ಇದೆ.
Yes, sir.
So p of -1 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ.
Yes, sir. Zero, sir.
0. So in case ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾವು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸೊ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ,
Yes, sir.
ಅದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ x³ +1 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ,
Yes, sir.
ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಡಿವೈಸರ್ x+1 ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes,
ಅವಾಗ
sir.
ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ,
X,
ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್.
Yes, sir. x+1 into x² +1 +1. ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. x+1 into x² +1.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Yes, sir.
ಏನ್ ಬಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
x+1 into x² +1, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ನೀವು x³ +1
Yes, sir.
x+1 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ.
Yes, sir. ಅವಾಗ x² ಬಂತು ಸರ್. x².
ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
1, sir. 1 ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 1 ಬಂತು ಸರ್.
ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 1 ಬರಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದೇನ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ x³ +1 ಇದೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಈಗ x ಇಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x³ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
x², sir.
x². ಸೊ x² ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ x² into x +1 into x².
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ x³ + x² ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಈಗ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ -x² ಅಂಡ್ +1 ಅನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಈಗ -x² ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು x ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
x ಇಂದ ಸರ್.
-1 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, -x ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Yes, sir. -x ಇಂದ ಸರ್.
ಸೊ -x into x ಅಂದ್ರೆ -x².
Yes, sir.
-x into +1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ -x.
Yes, sir.
ಈಗ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ x² ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
And x will become positive when subtracting, so we get x and that +1 extra, so x +1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
Now what you have to multiply by x to get the first term x? It is 1.
Yes, sir.
So +1 ಹಾಕಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you will get x +1.
Yes, sir.
So ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0, ಸರ್.
0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0 ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ x +1 to be multiplied with x² - x +1
Yes, sir.
equal to x³ +1 ಅಂತ.
Yes, sir.
So x +1, x² - x +1, they are factors of the x³ +1.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0 ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ
Yes, sir.
they are factors.
Yes, sir.
ನೀವು ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
Yes, sir.
So this is a direct division method to find the remainder and the factors.
Yes, sir.
So only if remainder is 0, we'll write the product of divisor and the quotient as the factors.
Yes, sir.
If remainder is not 0, then that we cannot factorize. That function,
sir.
whatever dividend is taken, cannot be factorized.
Yes, sir.
Now, ಈ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ if we write x cube plus 1 is equal to
Yes,
x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1,
Yes, sir.
because that is a standard formula we will remember, that is called identity.
Yes, sir.
Then the lower degree term you get to 0,
Yes, sir.
that is x plus 1, make it equal to 0, you get x is equal to minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Now this minus 1 is substitute in px. Px is x cube plus 1, that is the dividend to be divided.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ x is equal to minus 1 ಹಾಕಿ.
Yes, sir. 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
minus 1 cube ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
-1.
minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So plus 1 will become 0.
Yes, sir.
So to find the factors, either you can do the division and find out the remainder, then write that equation,
Yes,
that
sir.
is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient,
Yes, sir.
where divisor and quotient are two factors of the given dividend.
Yes, sir.
Alternatively, ಈ ತರ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ,
Yes, sir.
if you find what is the that least degree polynomial which is used as the divisor,
Mm-hmm.
equating it to 0, find the zeros of that polynomial.
Yes, sir.
That value when you substitute in this dividend
Yes,
px,
Yes, sir.
if you get 0, that means that we can factorize.
Yes, sir.
So that we can factorize means we have already written that factors using our identity. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into
Yes,
a
sir.
square minus ab plus b square.
Yes, sir.
So those are the two factors of the given dividend ಅಂತ.
Yes, sir.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
So it is not a simple way to find the remainder obtained on dividing a polynomial by another linear polynomial. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ linear ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ.
Yes, sir.
How to generalize this so that we can go for denominator can be even higher degree also.
Yes, sir.
So we will also show you why the theorem is true for that purpose by giving proof also.
Yes, sir.
So this is the remainder theorem, where denominator, numerator, they can have the any degree. So they are the polynomials.
Yes, sir.
So let px be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Numerator is a polynomial of degree greater
1.
than or equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
And a is any number.
Yes, sir.
So px is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a.
Yes, sir.
So a can be any real number.
Yes, sir.
Then the remainder is given by p of a. That means where p of x is equal to something we have taken,
Yes, sir.
just substitute x is equal to a and simplify, you get the remainder.
Yes, sir.
So example, you can take this problem. So let px is any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
That means numerator is greater than or equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
If px is divided by x minus a,
Yes, sir.
then quotient will become qx when the remainder is 0.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, px is equal to x minus a into qx plus rx ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
So rx is the remainder. If this is 0, then these two are the factors of this one.
Yes, sir.
Since degree of x minus a is 1,
Yes, sir.
degree of Rx will be less than 1.
Yes, sir.
So that means it can be a constant.
Yes, sir.
So for every value of x, Rx will be a number R.
Yes, sir.
So this is a number.
Yes, sir.
So if this is 0, then this becomes factors.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise not.
Yes, sir.
So if you put that A here,
Yes, sir.
this becomes 0 and we get the R. Because
Yes. Yeah,
x
yes.
iru jagake A ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
Yes, sir.
Now here we have taken A is what the divisor, any number for the divisor.
Yes, sir.
We are dividing Px by the number.
Yes, sir.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
So andre say this is we have taken some problems, like x square plus 2x plus 4.
Yes, sir.
Innೊಂದು
sir.
problem ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. You can work this problem. You can easily understand.
Yes, sir.
X square plus 2x plus 4
Yes, sir.
divide by
Yes, sir.
say something like x minus 2.
X minus 2. X minus 2 x square minus.
First long divisional ಮಾಡಿ.
Yes, sir. X square minus 2. Four x plus 4. 4x plus 4 minus.
ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಹೇಳಿ?
X square plus 2x plus 4, sir.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
X square plus 2x plus 4 divided by x minus 2.
ಅದಾಗಲ್ಲ. x square minus 4x plus 4 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Yes, sir.
x square minus 4x plus 4 divide by
Yes, sir.
x minus 2.
Yes, sir.
ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ.
Sir, x plus 2 is the answer, sir.
Huh?
X plus 2.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ horizontal line vertical line ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ?
Yes, sir.
Inside you write x square minus 4x plus 4.
Yes, sir.
ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ x minus 2 ಬರೀರಿ.
Yes, sir. ಮಾಡಿದೆ, sir.
ಈಗ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ x ನ?
X ಇಂದ, sir. X ಇಂದಾನೆ.
ಬರೀರಿ. x into that x square ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಪ್ಲಸ್ x into minus 2
X into
minus
ಇಲ್ಲ
2x
sir,
ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
minus 2x ಬರುತ್ತೆ sir. ಅವಾಗ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್
minus
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
2x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. minus 2x ಅಲ್ವೇ?
Yes, sir. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗಿ 2x plus 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಸೊ
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
x square ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು.
Yes, sir.
ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆದು?
2x plus 4. 2x plus 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
minus 2x plus 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
yes sir. minus 2x plus 4.
ಯಾಕೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ minus 4 ಇದೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ minus 2x ಇದೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಕಳಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ minus 2x plus 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
So now what you have to multiply the x to get the first digit, first term.
Minus 2, sir. Minus 2.
minus 2 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes,
So
sir.
minus 2 into x is minus 2x and minus 2 into minus 2 will be plus 4. ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಕೆಲವು ಸಲ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That means this x minus 2 into x minus 2. So x minus 2 they are the factors.
Yes, sir.
So the same factor has come twice.
Yes, sir.
So this is to say that x square minus 4x plus 4
Yes,
when
sir.
divided by x minus 2
Yes, sir.
gives
Yes,
something
sir.
like x minus 2 into x minus 2 plus 0 ಅಂತ.
Yes, sir.
So ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ divisor is x minus 2.
Yes, sir.
So find the 0 of this polynomial. That is, we equate x minus 2 equal to 0.
Yes, sir. X is equal to 2, sir.
X equal to 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ 2 ನ you substitute in the dividend. Suppose we write px is equal to
Yes, sir.
x square minus 4x plus 4.
Yes, sir.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ p of 2 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ.
Zero, sir.
ಏನೇನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? First it will become
2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 4.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ see x square minus 4x plus 4 ಇದೆ.
Yes, sir. P of 2 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, sir.
p of 2 ಅಂದಾಗ x ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ 2 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ಇಂಟು 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir. Minus 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, sir.
ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 4.
Minus 8 plus 4.
Second term is minus 8 and plus 4, therefore it is 0.
Yes, sir.
So ಈಗ whether the given function, that is x square minus 4x plus 4, is factorizable or not.
Yes, sir.
To find that, we have two methods.
Yes, sir.
One is by doing what is called long division anta. A method, this is called method of long division anta. Long
sir.
division al ಮಾಡಿ you can find the remainder and then use that equation that
sir.
dividend is equal to divisor into quotient.
Yes, sir.
Alternatively,
Yes, sir.
we must write by using our identities
Yes, sir.
what will be one of the factor like x minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Then find the 0 of x minus 2, which becomes x is equal to 2.
Yes, sir.
That one substitute in the polynomial px, which is the dividend. That is x square minus 4x plus 4.
Yes, sir.
So that if it gives 0, that means the given function is factorizable, and factors we have already written because it is from the identity.
Yes, sir.
So this is like a minus b whole square case. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2a minus 2ab plus b square.
Yes, sir.
So a minus b whole square andre it is a minus b into a minus b.
Yes, sir.
They are the factors of a square
A minus B whole
minus
square.
2ab plus b square.
Yes, sir.
ಹಾಗೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ for any px in the numerator,
Yes, sir.
if x minus a is the divisor,
Yes, sir.
then px by x minus a is equal to, we find that this one qx plus there is a remainder.
Yes, sir.
So since remainder is not 0, these two are not factors of this. That is, this multiplied by this will not give this.
Yes, sir.
But if this is 0, then this
Yes, sir.
multiplied by this will give this one.
Yes, sir.
After that is all the remainder theorem we are using.
Yes, sir.
So let us see the result in another example.
Yes, sir.
Find the remainder when x power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Really important to see the question. Question has got 4th degree term, 3rd degree term, 2nd degree term, 1st degree and constant. All are there.
Yes, sir.
So there is no problem. Previous type, this term was missing. So we said, well, let us keep 0 plus x square. 0 into x square here.
Yes, sir.
We have taken plus 0 x square because x square term was missing.
Yes, sir.
so that we can write the terms, one below the other correctly without
sir.
confusion.
Yes, sir.
So here all the powers are available in the decreasing order. So this
Yes.
you write inside the horizontal vertical line.
Yes, sir.
And this is x minus 1, write it outside on the left side.
Yes, sir.
Then do the division by using that long division process. That means what should be multiplied by x to get the first term x power 4.
X to the power of 3, sir.
So multiply by x power 3. So x power 3 into x will be 3x power 4. And
Yes,
x
sir.
cube into minus 1 will be minus x cube, we have to write.
Yes, sir.
Now subtract.
Yes, sir.
So first term cancels because that is how we have selected the quotient.
Yes, sir.
Always we select the quotient such that first term cancels.
Yes, sir.
So second term what happens?
X 2 plus 2x square, sir.
Here we are subtracting and there was a minus x cube was there.
Yes, sir.
So while subtracting it will become positive.
Yes, sir.
So
So
it becomes 2x
we'll
cube.
get yes, sir.
2x cube.
Yes, sir. 2x cube minus 2x square, sir.
Then again that is since it was minus 2x minus minus it will become plus 2x,
Yes, sir.
2x, is it not?
Yes, sir.
So then you have to subtract again. So first term will cancel. We have selected that way only.
Yes, sir.
Second term was when subtracting what happens?
Yes, 4x, sir. 4x.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ.
Yes, sir. Plus 3x minus 1. Yes, sir. X cube plus 2x square plus 4x plus 3, sir. Answer.
So x cube into 1, x cube into this will cancel. So we will get minus 2x square
Yes,
plus
sir.
x plus 1. Now multiply by minus 2x. So minus 2x square plus 2x.
Yes, sir.
Subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
So multiply by minus 1. So
Yes, sir.
minus x plus 1. So remainder
Yes,
is remainder ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
Remainder 2, sir.
Huh?
2 ಅಥವಾ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಅದೊಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇದೆ. 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0 ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
0 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್.
So remainder 0 ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ the factors are x minus 1 into x cube minus 2x minus 1.
Yes, sir.
ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Yes, sir.
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ x minus 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾನೆ.
Yes, sir.
So we will find 0 of this polynomial by making this equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
So that means x is equal to 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
Now this one you take it as px and find p1.
Yes, sir.
So px is equal to x power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ x is equal to 1 ಹಾಕಿ p of 1 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ.
Yes, sir.
So it is 1 plus 1
1 is 2, sir.
minus 2 plus 1 plus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
4 minus 2 is 2, sir. 2, sir. Sir, 2, sir.
it will become 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir. ಅಲ್ಲೂ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 2 ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಸರ್ ನಂಗೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಾ 2 ಬಂದಿತ್ತಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಹೇಗೆ
ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ x cube plus 2x square plus 4x plus 3.
ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x power 4 minus x cube ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ minus 2x square plus 2x. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ this will become minus x
4x plus 3, sir.
plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ವಲ್ವಾ, ಏನೋ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅದೇ
Yes, sir.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ,
Yes, sir.
ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಟೂ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಬಂದಿತ್ತಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 2 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್ ನಂಗೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ x4 x cube minus 2x square plus x and plus 1.
Yes, sir.
So x cube is x power 4 minus x cube. Yes. So this is 2x cube minus 2x square plus idagutte. Next it is
Yes, sir.
2x square will be 2x cube minus 2x square.
2x square. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So next subtract ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir. ನಾ 4x square plus x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ತಿರ್ಗಾ
this is minus is a
4x
plus.
square plus x.
Yeah. So this is
ತಿರ್ಗಾ
minus 4x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Plus
Yes,
x
sir.
plus 1 ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
So then we will have to multiply by minus 2x.
Yes, sir.
So minus 2x square plus 2x.
Yes, sir. Sir, 4x, sir.
4x. So minus 4x square plus 4x.
Yes, sir. 3x plus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಅವಾಗ. minus 3x plus 1
minus 3x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus 3x
Yes, sir.
plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now if you multiply by
3 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್.
minus 3 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So minus 3x and plus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So
Yes, sir.
ಅವಾಗ minus 2 ಬರಬೇಕತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
Yes, sir. ಈ ಕಡೆ plus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, 3x plus 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ plus 3 ಇರೋದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. 3x plus 1 ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಕಳೆದಾಗ ಏನೋ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಸರ್ plus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. x minus
plus 3 ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ. that's why.
Yes, sir. plus 3.
ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. So x power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
will divide by x minus 1. So first x cube ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿ.
Yes,
x
sir.
power 4 minus x cube ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
So it will become 2x cube minus 2x square plus
Yes, sir.
x plus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes,
Now
sir.
multiply by plus 2x square.
Yes, sir.
So 2x cube minus 2x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
So ಇದು
ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
minus this ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 2x cube minus 2x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So
ಮೈನಸ್ ಸರ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
2x square ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
2x cube ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2x square ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
x plus 1 ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ
Yes, sir.
ಇದು x minus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, x ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ.
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅದೇ ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ನಮ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಈಸಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್.
Okay, sir.
ನಾವು ಇಫ್ ದಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ದೆನ್ ಈ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬರಿಬಹುದು.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿದೆ, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ x minus 1.
Yes, sir.
ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಅದರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಾದ್ರು ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಸರ್ ಇಂಟು ಕೋಶಿಯಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿವೈಸರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೋಶಿಯಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? But this is a test to find whether factors are there or not, whether
Yes,
can
sir.
we factorize this or not anta. So now we are able to find here we cannot factorize this because the remainder is 2 anta.
Yes, sir.
So you take this problem, q of t is equal to 4t cube plus 4t square minus t and minus 1.
Yes, sir.
That you divide by 2t plus 1.
Yes, sir. Square. Minus 14, minus
Long division ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
sir, ಮಾಡಿದೆ sir. 2t square plus t minus 1, sir, is the answer. 2t square. 2t square plus t minus 1, sir.
ಅದು quotient.
Quotient,
Quotient.
sir. Quotient. Remainder is 0, sir.
Remainder
is 0.
remainder 0. Therefore,
Yes, sir.
you can write 4t cube plus 4t square minus
Yes,
t minus 1 is equal to
Yes, sir.
2 plus 1 into 2t square plus t minus 1 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು.
Yes, sir.
So that means this is factorizable and these are the factors.
Yes, sir.
So this we are able to find by long division.
Yes, sir.
But ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2t plus 1 equal to 0 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
Yes, sir.
we will get t is equal to minus half ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Minus half. Yes, sir. Substitute.
So q of minus half ಮಾಡಿ.
Yes, sir.
So 4 into minus half whole cube plus
Yes, sir.
4 into minus half whole square
Minus
plus
minus
minus half within bracket and plus 1.
Yes.
So this becomes minus 4 by 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
This is 4 by 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is minus half plus 1.
Plus half minus 1.
This is minus half.
0, sir. 0.
So 4 into cube. This is 4t cube 4t square plus
Yes, sir.
4t square. Okay.
Yes, sir. Minus of minus half, sir.
Minus ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2x square ಇದೆ. That
Yes, sir.
ನಾನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. So minus 2
Yes, sir.
x square.
Yes, sir.
So therefore it will become minus half ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Four t cube 4t square minus t minus 1. Minus t minus 1 ಅದು. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So therefore this is minus 4 by 8. This is plus 4 by 4.
Yes, sir.
This is plus half.
Yes, sir.
This is 1.
Yes, sir.
So this is minus half.
Yes, sir.
This is plus half. So they will cancel.
Yes, sir.
And this is
Plus 1 minus 1 will cancel.
plus 1.
Yes, sir.
And this is ಏನೋ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಿ 4 into minus half cube plus 4 into minus half square minus half minus 1. ಸೊ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ +1 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಬರ್ತಾ
Yes,
ಇದೆ.
sir.
ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ minus 4/8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4/4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1/2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ minus half plus 1, it is plus half minus 1. So therefore it becomes 0.
Yes, sir.
So ಇದು because they are given 2t plus 1, is it a multiple? Now
Yes, sir.
by doing this method we found the remainder as 0. Therefore we can say that 2t plus 1 is a multiple ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
Yes, sir.
ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಅದರ್ ಒನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಲಾಂಗ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ದಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್
Yes, sir.
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ವೆದರ್ ದ ಡಿವೈಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ದಿ ಅದರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ವೆದರ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. Now okay, this we have done. Now exercise 2.3.
Yes, sir.
Now find the remainder when this is divided by, ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 2 3 4 5 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾನೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಇದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ write this inside the horizontal vertical line and
Yes, sir.
divide by x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
ಇದು ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Minus 3.
So x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. First problem divide by x plus 1.
Yes, sir. Minus 2 is the answer, sir. Minus 2 is the remainder and quotient is x square plus 3.
ನೋಡೋಣ ಅದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So plus 3x plus 1. So now multiply by 2x. So 2x square plus 2x. So x plus 1. So plus 1. X plus 1. So ಏನು ಬಂತು, ಮೊದಲು ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0 ಬಂತು.
Yes, sir.
So the factors are x plus 1 into x square plus 2x plus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು ಲಾಂಗ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0 ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಬಹುದು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಹಾಕೋದು. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು -1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ -1 ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಯೋದು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ -1 ಹೋಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಇಂಟು -1 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್
That's
plus
also 0, sir. That is
ಪ್ಲಸ್
also
3
zero.
ಇಂಟು -1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಅಂತ. ಸೊ -1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು -3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ,
Minus
ಪ್ಲಸ್
3
1
plus 1.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ
3 and 3 cancel, 1 and 1 cancel.
0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0 ಅಂತ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ.
Yes, sir.
ಬಟ್ ಈ ಎರಡನೇ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ,
Yes,
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್
sir.
ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಾವು ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವೆದರ್ ದಿ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಇಸ್ 0 ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂತ.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟು ಶೋ whether remainder is 0 or non-zero.
Yes, sir.
So second problem, that px will be same thing only,
Yes, sir.
but now you have to divide by x minus half.
Yes, sir.
So ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Yes, sir.
So that you can learn both the process ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೇನಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Question ಇಲ್ಲಿ is only to find the remainder ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Yes, sir.
But we are finding remainder as well as the factors, provided remainder is 0. So x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x minus half. So x square ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x cube minus half x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
When we subtract, it will become plus. So it is 7 by 4 x square plus 3x plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So now we have to multiply by 7 by 4x.
Yes, sir.
So 7 by 4x square minus 7 by 8x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
So first cancel ಆದರೆ this is 3 plus 7 by 8x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 plus 7 by 8. That means LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 8 3 24 7 31 31 by 8. So it is 31 by 8x plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
So ಇಲ್ಲಿ we have to multiply by 31 by 8.
1 by 8.
So 31 by 8x minus 31 by 16.
Yes.
So it is 1 plus 31 by 16. So 16, 17, 17, 17, 47, 47 by 16 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So remainder is 47 by 16.
Yes, sir.
This you can find by the other method where x becomes equal to half by making x minus half is equal to 0. So ಈಗ p of half ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ half cube plus 3 into half square plus 3 into half plus 1. So this is 1 by 8 plus this is 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2
32 is
plus
the
1.
LCM, sir.
So
32
8 is the LCM.
Yes, sir.
So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ plus 3 into 2 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ
Yes.
plus 2 into 4 8
8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ plus
8 into 3 24 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
19 by 8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, sir.
plus it will be 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
So 24 30 39 ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ
Yes, sir. 19 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, sir. 19.
ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇದೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್
Yes, sir.
ಇದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 7 by 2 ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 by 2 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 7 by 2 ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 by 2 ಇಂಟು 1 by 2 ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 7 by 4. ಸೊ ಈಗ 3 ಮೈನಸ್ 7 by 4 ಅಂದರೆ 4 ಬರಲ್ಲ 12 12ರಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಆದರೆ 5. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 5 by 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 5 by 4 ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 by 4. ಸೊ 5 by 4 ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 5 by 8. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 by 8 ಅಂದರೆ 13 by 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಗೋಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ 13 by 8 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 19 by 8 ಬರ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಕಂಡಿಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಅಂತ.
ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ
19 by 8 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ಹಾಫ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಈಸ್ 1 by 8
Yes, sir.
ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 into half square is 3 by 4
Yes, sir.
plus 3 into x is 3 by 2 plus 1.
Yes, sir.
So 8 is LCM. ಸೊ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 2 into 3 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು 4 into 3 12 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 2 4 8 ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ 12 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1ಗೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 8. ಸೊ 12 plus 8 20 27/8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
12 plus 1 13.
ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ,
Yes, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ.
Sir, ಅದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, x is equal to half ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾಫ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಹಾಫ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಪಿ ಎಫ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. x minus half is equal to 0. So x is equal to half. Half cube ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1/8 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 into half square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3/4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 into half ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3/2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1ಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 8 is the LCM. ಸೊ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಹಾ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಹೊರಟೆ ಹೋಯ್ತಾ, ಅದೇನೋ ಹೊಸ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
Yes, sir.
ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾ, ಇದೇನೋ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ರೀಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
ಓಕೆ,
sir.
ನೋಡ. ಸೊ ಇದು 2.3 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀವಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir. 2.3. Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ. ಎನಿವೆ ಅದೇ ಸ್ಕೇನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ನೋಡೋಣ.
Yes, 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 sir.
ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3x² ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇದೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ x minus half. ಸೊ x² ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x³ minus x²/2 ಇದು ಆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 7/2 x² ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1.
Yes, sir.
ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 7/2 x ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 7/2 x² ಮೈನಸ್ 7/4
Sir, 27/8
X.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, sir.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಮೈನಸ್ 7/4 3 ಮೈನಸ್ 7/4 3 ಮೈನಸ್ 7/4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 3 12, 12ರಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಆದ್ರೆ 5 5 ಮೈನಸ್ 5/4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5/4 x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5/4. ಸೊ 5/4x ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 5/8. ಸೊ ಇದು ಹೋದ್ರೆ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5/8. ಸೊ 13/8 ಏನೋ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನನಗೆ 19/8 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು 127/8 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಬಟ್ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir. ಸರ್, ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ ಸರ್? $27/8 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಇದು.
ಹಾ, ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, 27/8. ಅದೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಸರ್. ಇಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ವೆನ್.
ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಸಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ. x³ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3x² ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ x ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಾಫ್. ಸೊ x² ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. x³ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ x² ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಎರಡು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. 3 + ½ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7/2.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ 7/2 x² ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3x + 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir. ತಿರ್ಗಾ LCM ತೆಗೆದಾಗ 27/8 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು 7/2 x ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 7/2 x 7/2 x² ಮೈನಸ್ 7/4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟು x. ಇದು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 + 7/4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 4 × 12 19/4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ 19/4x + 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir. (19/4) ಇಂದ multiply.
ಹಲೋ,
Yes, sir.
ಅದು ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಇದೇ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾ 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 ಓ ಹಾ 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 ಅದು ಹೌದಾ, ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ. ಹಾ, ಇವತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಂಗೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಂಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ದಿ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂತು. ಬಟ್ ಈ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಇದೆ, ನಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾ ಹಾ ಓಹ್, ಅದ್ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಹೌದಾ, ನಂಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇನೇನೆ. ಹಾ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ. ವಿಜಯನಗರ. ಇದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ ಸರ್, ಅಥವಾ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನಾದ್ರು? ಹಾ 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 ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಸರ್? ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್. ಯಾ, ಹಾ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್. ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಹಾ, ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಹಾ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಹಾ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಕಾಯ್ತು. ಅದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ನೀವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಆಫ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಬೇರೆ ಬಂತು. ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಸರಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು 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 ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಹಾ, ಇದೇ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಸರ್. ಹಾ 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 ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ಸರ್. ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್. ಹಾ, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಇದು ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಅಂತ. ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿಜಯನಗರ. ಹಾ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ನಾನು, ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿಜಯನಗರ್ ಅಂತ. ಹಾ 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 ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ, ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಹಾ 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 ಓಹೋ ಹಾ ಓಹೋ, ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ. ಹಾ ಹಾ ಬಟ್ ನಂಗೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ 11 ಗಂಟೆ ತನಕ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಸಿಗ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಲೈನು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು 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 ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಸರಿ ಸರಿ, ಆಯ್ತು ಆಯ್ತು ಆಯ್ತು. ಫೈನ್ ಫೈನ್. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Oh, fine, fine. Hello.
Hello, hello sir.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಏನ್ ಬಂತು ಈಗ?
Yes, sir. 27/8 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ sir.
ಈಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 19/4 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 19/4
Yes,
ಎಕ್ಸ್
sir. 19/4 x.
ಮೈನಸ್ 19/8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes,
ಸೊ
sir.
ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 19/8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ
Yes,
ದಿಟ್
sir.
ಈಸ್ 27/8
19/8
ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
27/8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಅದೇ ಬರಬೇಕು.
Yes,
ಸೊ
sir.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ
ಪಿ ಎಫ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು.
Yes, sir.
ಪಿ ಎಫ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನಮಗೆ 27/8 ಬಂದಿದೆ
Yes, sir.
ಅಲ್ವೇ?
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ when this is divided by this is, so he is asking find the remainder only.
Yes, sir.
So ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ becomes 27/8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಈಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್.
Yes, sir.
ಈಗ
Yes, sir.
ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್,
Yes, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಅದ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್
Yes,
1
sir.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ sir. 1
So
ಬರುತ್ತೆ sir. Yes,
therefore,
sir. ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಒಂದು ಲಾಂಗ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್
Yes,
ಫಾರ್
sir.
ಅವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್
Yes, sir.
ಈಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಬೈ ಈಕ್ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟು 0, ಸೊ ದಟ್
Yes, sir.
ಇದು 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ 0 ಆಗಿ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
ದೆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪೈ,
Yes, sir.
ಇದು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ 0 ಬರಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಪೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಇದು
ಅದೇ
ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್
ಅದೇ
ಪೈ.
ಅದೇ ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪೈ ಕೊಟ್ಟು 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪೈ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಪಿ ಎಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಸಮ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಪೈಸ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದು. ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಆಮೇಲೆ 5 + 2x,
Yes, sir. X 2x + 5 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು sir.
2x + 5 = 0 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x = -5/2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ -5/2 ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು 0 ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಬರಲಾರ್ದು. -5/2 -5/2 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ + 3 × -5/2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ + 3 × -5/2 + 1. So -125/8 plus this is 2575/4 minus 15/2 plus 1. So 8 minus 125 plus 150 minus 60 plus 8. So 210.
97/2 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ sir.
150. This is 25. 8 is 25 plus 8 33. 33 ಅಂದ್ರೆ -27/8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವೇ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಂದಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಸಿ -125 plus 150 ಅದು 25 ಆಯ್ತು.
Yes, sir.
-60 plus 8.
Yes, sir.
25 plus 8 is 33. So this is -27 divided by 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಸರ್ ಹಂಗೆ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಸರ್? ಹಂಗೆ -5/2 ಹೋಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು
5 5 25 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 125.
Yes, sir. Yes,
ಸೊ
sir.
-125 by 2 4 8.
Yes, sir.
-125 by 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
-5/2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 25/4 into 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 75/4.
Yes, sir. Sir 15/4 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? 15/4 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? 3
ಅಲ್ಲ,
into -5 is 15.
No, 5 square is 25 ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
25 into 3 75. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ 2 into 2 4.
Yes, sir.
ಇದು
Yes, sir.
-5/2 ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್,
Yes,
ಆಮೇಲೆ
sir.
3ರಿಂದ ಗುಣಿಸ್ಬೇಕು.
Yes, sir.
ಪ್ಲಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ -15/2.
Yes, sir.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ 8 is LCM. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್
Yes, sir.
ಮೈನಸ್ 125 ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 into 75 150 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಮೈನಸ್ 4 into 15 60 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8.
Yes, sir.
ಈಗ ಮೈನಸ್ 125 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 150 ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 25.
Yes, sir.
ಪ್ಲಸ್ 25 and 8 is 33. ಮೈನಸ್ 60 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 33 ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 27.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ
Minus 20.
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ 8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಶೋಸ್ ದಟ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ಅವನು.
Yes, sir.
ಆದ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ
Yes, sir.
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ವೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಸಪೋಸ್ ಪಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6a
Plus
ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
B. Yes, sir. A cube minus A cube cancel. B.A minus A ಬರುತ್ತೆ sir.
6a ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 5a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir. 6A minus A. Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್. ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನೀವು ಲಾಂಗ್
Yes, sir.
ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿ.
Yes, sir.
ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್
Yes, sir.
ಚೆಕ್ ವೆದರ್ ದ 7 plus 3x
3x
is a factor of that one. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಪಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ 3x plus 7 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾಳೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ
sir.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Time ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸರ್ ಇವತ್ತು?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 3 o'clock ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir. Yes,
ಸೊ
sir.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಸೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
Yes.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎನಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ
Yes, sir.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಪೇರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕದಷ್ಟು ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Yes, sir.
ಇದು
Yes, sir.
ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೋ ಅದು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ರೀಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಅದು
Yes,
ಯಾಕೋ
sir.
ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಆಫ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತೋ ಅದೇನ್ ಕತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay,
ಇಲ್ಲ
no.
ಸರ್, ಅದೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಾಕೋತೀವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟ್
ಹೌದಾ?
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Yes, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಅದೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ.
Yes, sir.
ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದಿವಸ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಇದೇನೋ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಟುಡೇ ಇಸ್
Yes,
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಟೋದ್ರೆ
Yes,
ದೆನ್
sir.
ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರೀಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, that is also an experience. We can learn by experience only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Namaskara, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.